We are here in the Center for Advanced Simulation in Healthcare, which is part of the Gulf Medical University in Ajman City. We are giving two parts of training. One part is for our students in medical college and nursing college and pharmacy and other healthcare, giving them practical skills on the mannequins available at these centers. The other parts we are giving short courses for life saving. We are accredited center from American Heart Association to give short courses in life saving. Also, we are accredited center for NIMAT. We are giving a pre-hospital life saving course. In addition to that, we have many short courses accredited by Ministry of Health and other health authority for doctors and nurses and other health professions working in UAE. Thank you.
Center for Advanced Simulation Healthcare is a state-of-art facility which offers replicated hospital-like environment for interprofessional and interactive training for physicians, nurses, residents, and university students. Please come along. Let's have a check.
The Simulation Center starts with our emergency department. This area is multifunctional and can be used for casualty management training by following recommended emergency room protocols. Debriefing rooms are an integral part of simulation where most of the learning happens. Debriefing allows the learners to talk through what they had done and to reflect upon how they had done the skills practice. At CASH, we have two large multi-purpose lecture halls which are used for workshops including life support training, symposia, seminars, or any other large to small group learning event. CASH is an American Heart Association accredited international training center for basic life support, advanced cardiac life support, and pediatric advanced life support programs. We train approximately 1,700 candidates every year on life support training programs. The simulation department is equipped with various task trainers, which are lifelike models of human anatomy. Those are developed to help the learners to practice specific skills. Our simulation center offers an authentic environment to practice and learn safer care for patients by improving performance, reducing errors, and strengthening teamwork. We have two patient wards set up similar to the general ward and private room setup of a hospital. The private patient ward has a high fidelity mannequin which is attached with monitoring devices. The radiology simulation area at CASH has an ultrasound room with a Shalware ultrasound simulator and a real machine. The ultrasound simulator allows the learners to practice ultrasound diagnosis congruent with real conditions. Also, the radiology area equipped with a CT scanner and an X-ray machine. Since the CT scanner and X-ray machine do not produce radiation, the student can practice in a safe environment. We have an operation room setup which is overlooked by adjacent control rooms. Our operation theatre is located followed by the partially sterile areas with a scrubbing facility, which gives an ambience and learning environment similar to clinical OT setup. Our OT is set up to look as similar to the real operation theatre as possible. The intensive care units are two different kinds, and those are adult and pediatric ICU setup with high fidelity mannequins and equipments ranging from crash carts, ventilators, and other ICU devices. Control rooms are overlooking the ICUs in order for monitoring and learning with self-directed manner. Our maternity ward can be configured as a first stage or labor room, offering customizable learning atmosphere for many different educational scenarios. It has a mother simulator and an infant and neonatal simulator. This maternity room is also equipped with neonatal incubator and monitoring equipment. The simulation lab offers the learners the opportunity to learn communication skills and procedural skills in a non-threatened environment. These are very difficult things in the beginning of medical education.